Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve my purple brow. Since I've had this purple hair, people have been asking me, so I'm like, let's make a video. So if you want to see how I get the purple brow, just keep watching. Let me know what else you guys would like to see, and I'll see you in my next video. So I'm going to show you guys how I did my purple eyebrows. Since I've been wearing this purple hair, a lot of people have been asking me how I achieve the purple brow. So it's really simple. So I just decided, you know what, we're gonna make a video. My eyebrows, excuse me, are done already. And I'm taking my Anastasia brow pencil in the shade Ebony. And I'm just going to line the top and bottom.
Yeah, facts. Let's get it. Yeah, I bet you wish a young nigga wouldn't catch on. I bet you thought you could play a little games, but it's best I let you know you got the right one. And it's time I show you two could play that game. Yeah, two could play that game. Two could play that way. Yeah, two could play that. Now ain't it funny when
we created our outline for the brow? We're just gonna fill it in. I'm using the purple in the Zulu palette. It's eyeshadow, of course, and this purple is super rich, like it's just perfect. And then what I do is I add like quite a few layers until it's like super, like the purple is hella vibrant. And then when I get to the front, I flick it up.
You off the grid, but when I feel it ain't legit, that's when I'ma hit the switch. Get to doing what you assuming, or when you get defensive. You don't like the way I'm acting, I can live with your reactions, cause I done been through the most. Like what's the worst that can happen? Subtraction. Cool, I imagine you telling these people I'm average. Yeah, and how I'm dogging you when I'm the reason we clashing. Look how you doing me, give a fuck if you through with me. They come and they go, ain't no problem with finding more.
And again, flick it up when you get to the front. But just fill inside of the gaps, like, you know, like you're just tracing inside the lines of what you already mapped out. I concealed one off camera, so now we will do the other one. I'm using my MAC 242 brush and my LA Girl Pro concealer.
Yeah, facts. Let's get it. Yeah, I bet you wish a young nigga wouldn't catch on. I bet you thought you could play a little games, but it's best I let you know you got the right one. And it's time I show you two could play that game. Yeah, two could play that game. Two could play that way. Yeah, two could play that. Now ain't it funny when they try to test your patience? Like wasting time on false relations is the way I wanna spend it. Women waiting on my undivided. I'm so indecisive. If I chose you as my go-to, I just hope that you realize it. And I make up in your head that it's safe to.
And now I'm just going to tap that excess concealer until it melts into my skin. And then in the front, I'm going to blend that out so there's like no harshness right there. Boom! There you have it, the purple brow. And I will just like take the spoolie and like comb it out a little bit in the front. But yeah, I'm gonna go finish my makeup and then you guys will see the completed look.
How I'm dogging you when I'm the reason we clashing. Look how you doing me, give a fuck if you through with me.